Hi everyone, we are back here at Palm Cay in Homestead, Florida. We're going to take another look at another townhome. This one is not too far from the Florida Turnpike and the Florida Outlet Mall, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what this home has to offer. Now this home is 1,582 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, comes with stainless steel appliances, the tile flooring on the first floor, and for super tech-savvy homeowners, it comes with Home Connect built right in. You do get access to the community pool, the dog park that's in the community, walking trail around the lake, and you will also have access to meditation and yoga area. Now that we've seen this home, let me know if you are interested in this home or if you're looking to buy or sell in the Homestead area. I'll be happy to assist. My contact information will be in the description. Thank you for watching and you have a blessed day.